There's something magical about a veranda that captures the essence of rustic living, where every corner offers a cozy spot to relax and enjoy the view. Today, we're exploring a rustic veranda that blends natural materials with thoughtful details to create an inviting outdoor space. Welcome to Green Home Living. The rustic veranda of this log cabin is a place of peace and solitude. Wooden beams support the roof, while a rough-hewn wooden railing adds to the rustic charm. A patchwork rug adds a touch of color, and the dense forest beyond completes the picture. The rustic veranda of this small cottage is a gardener's dream. A tin roof provides shelter, while a chair sits ready for you to relax and enjoy the view. The garden is filled with wildflowers, adding a burst of color to the serene scene. The log cabin's rustic veranda is a haven of peace, where rough-hewn timber columns stand proudly. A wooden rocking chair sits nearby, offering a front-row seat to the natural beauty that surrounds this humble abode. The rustic veranda of this charming cottage offers a peaceful retreat. Wooden beams support the roof, while potted plants add a touch of greenery. The garden is in full bloom, creating a colorful and inviting scene. Perched on the edge of a mountain, the rustic veranda of this lodge offers breathtaking views. Wooden beams support the roof, while Adirondack chairs are positioned to face the stunning landscape. Nestled deep within the forest, the rustic veranda of this cabin is a place of refuge. The wooden floor feels sturdy underfoot, and the stone chimney adds a touch of warmth. Overlooking rolling hills, the rustic veranda attached to this weathered farmhouse exudes charm. The tin roof provides shelter, while the wooden beams and cozy seating area create a welcoming space. It's a perfect spot to relax. High in the mountains, this rustic veranda offers a sanctuary from the world. A wood-burning stove keeps the chill at bay, while comfortable seating invites you to relax. The panoramic view of the surrounding peaks is simply breathtaking. We hope you loved this rustic veranda tour and found it as inspiring as we did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ideas on how to bring the warmth of rustic charm to your outdoor spaces. Until next time, enjoy the simple pleasures of your own veranda.